We're out on the west side of Dothan, Alabama today, right off of Highway 84. This little tucked away neighborhood is so neat, you wouldn't even know it's here. It's peaceful and quiet, so convenient to everything on the west side of town. Come with me. I was just talking to the owners of this home. They said they can sit outside and it's so peaceful and quiet here on the front and back porches. This house sits on a little over a half acre. It's 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's like new because it's only 5 years old. Spray-in insulation, fenced in backyard. They've got a large shop on the property that's 36 by 24, so you can do hobbies in there, fix stuff, play around. This is also in the Wicksburg School District. It's convenient to everything on the west side of town. It's move-in ready, it's clean, wood floors, granite countertops, and so much more. Come see it. I love the inside of this home. You can tell these owners have really taken care of it. It's clean, move-in ready. Not only is it in a desirable area of West Dothan with the Wicksburg School District, but you've got a home that's really functional. Island in the middle, open layout, split floor plan, a backyard that's fenced, ready to go, big pantry, plenty of countertops, counter space, and so much more. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this neighborhood and the inside of this home. This backyard's great to spread out in. I love this back porch. But really, the coolest part of the property, I think, is this shed that's 36 by 24. You could fit 3 or 4 cars in there, use it for your hobbies, and so much more. I'm David Ridley with EXP Realty. Take care.